Technology changes rapidly with new smartphones, laptops, tablets, and accessories being released every year. While innovation brings convenience and improved performance, it also contributes to a growing global problem: electronic waste. Millions of devices are replaced annually, even when many still function properly or could be repaired and reused. This constant cycle of upgrading increases pressure on landfills, recycling systems, and natural resources. As sustainability becomes more important, subscription-based technology services are emerging as a smarter alternative. These services focus on reuse, refurbishment, and long-term device management instead of short-term ownership and disposal. Consumers are constantly encouraged to upgrade their electronics as newer models enter the market. Many devices are replaced long before the end of their usable lifespan. As electronics are discarded, electronic waste continues growing worldwide. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, and accessories often end up unused, thrown away, or improperly recycled. Electronic devices contain hazardous materials that can contaminate soil and water if not handled properly. At the same time, valuable resources such as lithium, cobalt, and rare earth metals are lost when products are discarded. This growing e-waste problem has increased the need for more sustainable ways to manage technology. Technology subscription services operate through a leasing or rental model. Instead of purchasing electronics outright, consumers pay monthly fees to use devices for a specific period of time. At the end of the term, users can often upgrade, continue using the device, or return it to the provider. Returned products are typically inspected, repaired, refurbished, and prepared for future users. These services provide flexibility for both consumers and businesses, while helping reduce the buildup of unused electronics. By keeping products in circulation longer, subscription models help support more sustainable technology usage. One major advantage of subscription services is the ability to extend product lifespans. Instead of devices being discarded quickly, they can be reused by multiple users over several years. Returned electronics are often repaired and refurbished before being redistributed. Common issues such as battery wear or cosmetic damage can usually be fixed without replacing the entire device. Longer product lifespans reduce the amount of electronic waste entering landfills while lowering demand for newly manufactured electronics. This approach helps maximize the value and usefulness of existing technology. Manufacturing electronics requires large amounts of energy, water, and valuable raw materials. Mining for lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements can create significant environmental damage. Subscription services help reduce the demand for new products by keeping existing devices in use longer. Refurbished electronics reduce the need for constant manufacturing and replacement. Lower production demand helps conserve natural resources while reducing carbon emissions linked to factories, transportation, and supply chains. By supporting reuse and refurbishment, subscription models contribute to a more resource-efficient technology industry. Subscription services improve how electronics are managed at the end of their life cycle. Since providers retain ownership of devices, they can ensure products are handled more responsibly after use. Devices that are still functional are refurbished and redistributed, while non-repairable electronics are dismantled and recycled properly. Centralized management also improves data wiping, material recovery, and safe disposal of hazardous components. Licensed recyclers help support this process by ensuring electronics are processed safely and responsibly. Subscription services help support a circular economy by keeping products and materials in use for longer periods of time. Instead of following a cycle of manufacturing, purchasing, and disposal, devices are reused, repaired, and redistributed between users. This system reduces waste while maximizing product value and resource efficiency. Consumers also begin viewing electronics as reusable assets instead of disposable products, encouraging more sustainable consumption habits. Subscription models are changing the way many consumers think about technology ownership. More people are becoming comfortable with leasing, renting, and sharing electronics instead of permanently owning them. Environmental awareness is also influencing purchasing habits, especially among younger generations interested in sustainable living. Consumers are increasingly considering the full life cycle of products, including how devices are manufactured, reused, and recycled. This shift toward responsible consumption helps support long-term sustainability goals. Although subscription services provide many benefits, several challenges still exist. Effective refurbishment and recycling systems require strong infrastructure and careful management. Not all electronics are designed for easy repair or reuse, making some products more difficult to refurbish efficiently. Consumer participation is also important. Devices must be returned properly so they can be reused or recycled responsibly. Despite these challenges, subscription-based technology models continue gaining attention as practical solutions for reducing electronic waste. Subscription services may play a major role in the future of sustainable technology management. As environmental concerns continue growing, more consumers and businesses may adopt flexible, access-based technology models. Advancements in refurbishment, repair, and recycling systems are helping improve the efficiency of circular technology programs. Consumers, manufacturers, licensed recyclers, and policymakers all contribute to reducing electronic waste and supporting sustainable electronics management. By extending product lifespans and encouraging responsible reuse, subscription services help create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Reach us by phone, email, or our website. As technology continues evolving, responsible electronics management becomes increasingly important for reducing waste and conserving valuable resources. Subscription-based technology services demonstrate how reuse, refurbishment, and proper recycling can help lower the environmental impact of modern electronics. Supporting sustainable technology solutions and working with licensed recyclers helps reduce pollution, extend product lifespans, and improve resource recovery. Through smarter technology management and more responsible consumer habits, businesses and individuals can help build a cleaner and more sustainable future. Extending the life of technology today helps reduce e-waste and build a more sustainable tomorrow.